Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this PURE SMILE, really nice, high-quality flosser. So opening up, it comes in a nice carrying case. Let's pull out the device itself. This is a water pressure flosser, okay? So unlike traditional, whoop, I turned it on by accident. Unlike traditional flossers where you use a piece of basically material and run it through your tooth, this is a nice portable compact travel water flosser. You have a whole bunch of different tips you can use with it for different types of flossing. Those go right in the top, lock in place, okay? Then you have a charging cord because this is wireless, and you got the bottom, which you just pull out like this. You put a little bit of water in there. Whoops. Not gonna put too much in there. Put that in. Turn it, okay? You also got a little hole right here so you can put that under the tap if you want to. And then you got your recharging port right here in the back, and you're on. And then, whoa, it shoots water like 20 feet. And you have high, medium, and low settings. Works really well. Was sent to me for review.